The South Platte Retreat features 67 acres of South Platte River frontage in the heart of GMU 951, blending premier waterfowl, whitetail, and turkey habitat with a luxury residence, heated pool, and fully appointed barndominium. This is a rare convergence of world-class recreation and turnkey infrastructure, 15 minutes from Greeley and 45 minutes from Denver International Airport. The property encompasses both banks of the South Platte River, giving you control of the full river corridor. Healthy river bottom timber runs the length of the ground on both sides, with mature cottonwoods providing canopy, edge cover, and natural travel routes for deer and turkey. A large slough sits on the property, which holds water throughout the season and has a well-established history of attracting waterfowl. Established food plots are in place in strategic areas, giving wildlife consistent food sources during the fall and winter months. The home and improvements are positioned well off the core habitat, which allows full use of the property without disturbing the river bottom. The South Platte Retreat is located in Kersey, Colorado, just 15 minutes outside of Greeley. The vibrant college town of Fort Collins is less than an hour to the west, while Denver and all of the entertainment it offers is an hour south. The main residence offers 3 bedrooms and a well-appointed master suite with a wonderfully appointed master bathroom. The living area is an open concept, featuring large windows with views of the river bottom, as well as a chef's kitchen completely ready for hosting. A luxury barndominium adds 2 additional bedrooms, a full kitchen, and laundry, providing comfortable and private accommodations for guests or extended family. Outdoor living centers around a heated pool with an automated cover and app-controlled features. The mechanical and utility systems are built for reliability and long-term ownership. Whole house water filtration, radiant and in-floor heating, a 26-kilowatt automatic standby generator, and pre-piped solar infrastructure are all in place. The South Platte River corridor has a long history of producing strong waterfowl hunting, and this stretch reflects that. Large concentrations of both greater and lesser Canada geese use the river and surrounding agriculture throughout the season. The slough and river bottom draw a wide variety of duck species consistently. Whitetail numbers are solid, with bucks on the property in the 170-inch class. The timber, food plots, and river bottom cover hold deer year-round. The property sits in GMU 951, which carries favorable draw odds for deer tags. The South Platte supports a healthy population of Rio Grande turkeys, and the river bottom habitat on this property is well suited for them. Birds are present through both spring and fall seasons. This property offers the unique blend of luxury living and world-class recreation, all while being within a short drive to all the modern amenities and conveniences one could want. For your own private showing, please contact Jake Highland or Taylor Dunnigan.